So let's continue using this is sodium nitrite and HCl. We are converting aniline into benzene, temperature 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. This is the preparation of diazonium salt. Starting material is aniline. The reaction is known as diazotization reaction. Fine. So once you get this, you can use the conditions like hypophosphorus acid in the presence of cuprous salt, heating, deamination reaction, formation of benzene. And once you reach benzene, so from benzene you can prepare nitrobenzene using the conditions of nitrating mixture, sulfuric acid, nitric acid concentrated. Fine. Then using benzene you can form chlorobenzene, simple chlorination reaction. By benzene you can reach up to say methyl benzene by Friedel-Crafts alkylation using anhydrous aluminium chloride along with methyl chloride. Fine. You can convert benzene using into acetophenone using Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, right? So I'm giving reference only. The conditions I'm not mentioning the conditions. Benzene can be converted to this using Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Fine. So similarly, so you see in this step you have got so many conversions here. You can be asked to convert aniline to nitrobenzene, aniline to methylbenzene, aniline to chlorobenzene to acetophenone, like that. So benzene diazonium salts, they open up a way for, it's a pathways for so many organic conversions for aromatic compounds. Fine. Okay, so this is the importance of this reaction. So if you want benzene in any conversion, then it will be better you prepare diazonium salt first. Fine. Okay. So this is one reaction in which nitrogen is replaced by hydrogen. Now second reaction, these are the categories of Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction in which diazonium salts are used to prepare aromatic halides. For example, if you treat it using cuprous chloride, cuprous salts with HCl, CuBr with HBr, CuCN in the presence of KCN. If you heat diazonium salts in the presence of 1, 2 and 3, then you will get replacement of nitrogen by Cl, fine, plus nitrogen goes out, replacement of nitrogen by Br, you will get bromobenzene, and the most important, you will get cyanobenzene. Fine. So once you get cyanobenzene, this also opens up a way for various conversions. Fine. For example, if cyanobenzene, there is partial hydrolysis of CN group results into the formation of acetamides. Fine. You know the very important reaction, complete hydrolysis in the acidic condition convert the cyanide group into acidic group, you will get benzoic acid. And if you reduce this H2 in the presence of nickel or lithium aluminum hydride, any reducing agent, then this triple bond between carbon and nitrogen is totally reduced, and you will get the most important, that is benzylamine. Benzylamine, right? So it's a primary R-alkylamine, fine. So you see the conversions, and you know the most important thing, they can be prepared, diazonium is starting material is aniline, so conversions will start from aniline. It can be aniline to chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, cyanobenzene, and further aniline to this, that is benzamide, aniline to benzoic acid, aniline to benzylamine, fine. So you see here, introducing CN in the ring, all the compound formed here, and if you compare with the starting material, they have one carbon increased. Fine. Here you have the 6 carbons of the ring, 6 carbon of the ring, but you have one extra carbon here. So those reactions in which there is increase in the you can say word root, or there is increase in the carbon atom, cyanide is definitely employed. So along with these reactions, I am also telling you that such conversions are definitely asked. So this is all the importance of diazonium salt. Fine. So you can have another reaction of cyanide in which aldehydes are also prepared. Fine. Stefan's reduction, like so, you can prepare so many compounds. So these are the reactions in which nitrogen is replaced by some other atoms or group of atoms. So one more reaction we have in which there is a replacement. If we continue the same reaction, in the previous reaction I'll just tell you, all the same products can also be obtained if you simply use copper powder along with HBr, HCl and KC. Fine. So you can also use copper powder in the same reactions and heat. Fine. You will get the same substitution by Cl, substitution by Br and substitution by cyanide group. Fine. So this is also one important reaction. Then third in this category is replacement by OH group. So very simple and important reaction. It is simply if the diazonium salts are heated only with water. You heat them with water, fine, then there is a formation of phenol, replacement of nitrogen by OH. Fine. So N2 and HCl. Fine. So this is also very important reaction. Using diazonium salts, you have again got another category, that is you entered into phenols family, you will get phenol. So you can be asked a conversion, that how will you convert aniline into phenol. So there is no direct way. First convert aniline into diazonium salts and further convert them into phenol. Fine. So this is how these reactions are very suitable for so many conversions.